Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to manage your shortcut bar on your Facebook app. The Facebook app allows you to show or hide the Watch tab, Marketplace tab, and the Profile tab on your shortcut bar. To manage them, you need to open up your Facebook app. Now tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings again. Now scroll down and within Preferences, you'll see Shortcuts. Tap on it. Then tap on Shortcut Bar. Here you can toggle the switch to remove videos on Watch, Marketplace, and the Profiles tab. As you can see, when you toggle it off, it gets removed from the shortcut bar. If you toggle it to the right side, it will re-add whatever tabs you have removed. And that is how to manage the shortcut bar on your Facebook app. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.